A word processor is an electronic device or computer software application that performs the task of composing, editing, formatting, and printing of documents. The word processor was a standalone office machine in the 1960s, combining the keyboard text entry and printing functions of an electric typewriter, with a recording unit, either tape or floppy disk, as used by the Wang machine, with a simple dedicated computer processor for the editing of text. Although features and designs varied among manufacturers and models, and new features were added as technology advanced, word processors typically featured a monochrome display and the ability to save documents on memory cards or diskettes. Later models introduced innovations such as spell-checking programs, and improved formatting options. As a more versatile combination of personal computers and printers became commonplace, and computer software applications for word processing became popular, most business machine companies stopped manufacturing dedicated word processor machines. As of 2009, there were only 2 US companies, Classic and Alpha Smart, which still made them. Many older machines, however, remain in use. Since 2009, Sentinel has offered a machine described as a word processor, but it is more accurately a highly specialized microcomputer used for accounting and publishing. Word processing was one of the earliest applications for the personal computer in office productivity, and was the most widely used application on personal computers until the World Wide Web rose to prominence in the mid-1990s. Although the early word processors evolved to use tag-based markup for document formatting, most modern word processors take advantage of the graphical user interface, providing some form of what you see is what you get WYSIWYG editing. Most are powerful systems consisting of one or more programs that can produce a combination of images, graphics and text, the latter handled with typesetting capability. Typical features of a modern word processor include multiple font sets, spell checking, grammar checking, a built-in thesaurus, automatic text correction, web integration, HTML conversion, pre-formatted publication projects such as newsletters and to-do lists, and much more. In its simplest form, a word processor is like an expensive typewriter or typewriter machine, with the improvement of being able to proofread and correct mistakes before printing. Microsoft Word is the most widely used word processing software according to a user tracking system built into the software. Microsoft estimates that roughly 500 million people use the Microsoft Office suite, which includes Word. Many other word processing applications exist, including WordPerfect, which dominated the market from the mid-1980s to early 1990s on computers running Microsoft's MS-DOS operating system, and still, 2014, is favored for legal applications and open-source applications. OpenOffice.org Writer, LibreOffice Writer, ABI Word, and Lix. Web-based word processors, such as Office Online, Google Docs, Zoho Writer or Quip are a relatively new category.